Are you trying to connect your iPhone to a Bluetooth device but it is not connecting? Then let me show you 6 easy fixes to your problem, and at the end I will show you what solution fixed the problem for me. Step 1. Make sure the Bluetooth is actually on. Now it is a silly thing to ask, but open the control center and make sure that Bluetooth is actually on. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Press the side button and volume up button for some time. Slide the power to power off your iPhone, and then again press this power on off button to start your iPhone. Sometimes restarting the iPhone fixes many of the minor issue. Step 3. Reset network settings. Go to settings, general, scroll down, go to transfer or reset iPhone, select reset and then reset network settings. Enter the passcode of your iPhone and reset the network settings. But remember, this will remove the password of Wi-Fi and you have to again enter the password of Wi-Fi. Step 4. Update your iOS. Go to settings, general, software update. The phone will check if there is update available. For me, I have, so select this option, update now. Sometimes updating the iOS software fixes many of the bugs in your iPhone. Step 5. Forget the Bluetooth device and try to pair it again. Go to settings, Bluetooth, tap on this eye icon next to the Bluetooth device, select forget this device, forget device. Let the device scan and if found, try to connect it again. Step 6. Now this is the solution that fixed my problem, and the solution is, if you have already paired your Bluetooth device to any other device, then remove the Bluetooth device from the previous device. For example, in iPhone, go to settings, go to Bluetooth, go to eye icon next to the device, forget this device, forget device. Now bring your device near to the iPhone, let it detect and then tap to connect. And you can see the device will be connected. Tell me which solution worked for you in the comment box below. As always, thanks for watching the video.